Hi everyone, this is Tiela. I am a licensed real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, and today we are going to talk about, do you need to hire a real estate agent? Do you need to hire a real estate agent to find you a house? Technically speaking, the answer would be no, because you could find it online yourself. You could drive there yourself and you could walk around and pick your perfect house. Except if you need something that's pocket listing, off market properties, then you probably need to hire one right away, because that's actually one of my specialty. But let's talk about that in a different video. So back to my original questions. What happened after you find the house if you were doing it by yourself? You would want someone to make sure that the transaction would go smoothly. You want to make sure that someone is looking after you. You want someone that negotiate for you, and most definitely to protect you. And that's the reason why you need to hire an agent. And I am not saying that all agents created equal, but you need to find someone who can do the job and make sure that it is for your best interests. So that's my quick tip. And if you have any other questions, you can always contact me. I'm also an LA expert. My phone number is 424-888-0179. Text me, call me. My email address, TheCAproperties.com, and I will also put it below this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again next time.